Trying to use a VPN on a smart TV can be incredibly frustrating. Many television brands like Samsung, LG, or Hisense do not natively support VPN applications in their app stores. This leaves your personal streaming data exposed to tracking and limits the content you can watch. Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to easily bypass these restrictions. We are covering the absolute best advanced ways to get a secure connection running on any smart TV today. You need to optimize your layout to run applications smoothly without network stuttering. Follow these advanced steps to route your television traffic through a secure VPN connection for a seamless experience. Step 1 is to check for native App Store support. Turn on your television and navigate directly to the Apps section. Open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android TV system. Click on the search bar at the top of the interface. Type the name of your favorite security application into the box. Select the application from the list of results and click the Install button to download it directly to your TV. Step 2 is to secure your connection and run your app smoothly. Open NordVPN on your device before you start streaming any content. Connect to a fast, secure server to instantly encrypt all your internet data. This protects your privacy and ensures smooth, high-definition playback without network throttling. You can use NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. The official installation link is mentioned in the description and the comment section below. Step 3 is to launch the television application. Open the newly installed app directly from your home screen or store interface. Complete the initial setup by signing into your account. Choose your preferred country server from the main menu and click Connect. Your entire Android TV system is now fully protected and unblocked. Step 4 is to set up a mobile sharing network if your TV lacks native apps. Grab your mobile phone and open the primary application store. Search for a reliable security provider like Proton VPN and download it. Open the application on your phone and complete the quick registration process. Connect to a secure server location on your mobile app to activate the encryption. Step 5 is to broadcast the protected network from your phone. Go to the main settings menu of your mobile device. Find the connection options and select the mobile hotspot feature. Toggle the switch to the on position to start broadcasting a wireless network. Your phone is now broadcasting an active internet connection that is fully protected by the mobile security application. Step 6 is to connect your television to the mobile hotspot. Turn on your Hisense, Samsung, or LG television. Open the Network Configurations menu on the screen and search for available wireless networks. Select your mobile phone hotspot from the list. Input your wireless password to connect. Your smart TV will now automatically route all traffic through the secure mobile phone link. Step 7 is to source a compatible hardware router for total home security. Visit a local technology store or online retailer. Look specifically for a home network router that explicitly supports client configuration files. This type of hardware allows you to install security frameworks directly onto the central internet source itself. Step 8 is to configure the central network hardware. Log into the administrative control panel of your new router using a web browser. Install your security profile directly onto the router system. This automatically protects every single device in your house. Your smart TV will remain completely secure without ever needing an individual application installed. These methods completely remove all streaming blocks on your television. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more advanced guides. Drop a comment below if you need help with your specific TV brand. See you in the next video.